Hi everyone, welcome to the final week, week 4 of the Crafty Christmas Collab 2020, where each week we were using the same paper pad to make different projects, and I have been using the Graphic 45 combination of the 8x8 and the 12x12. Oops, I'm dropping things. This paper pad, sorry for the glare. It's called Winter Wonderland, and this week I had a lot of scraps. Still have a lot of scraps. I actually created more scraps. I also used a little bit of Tim Holtz. These were from last year, Christmas Noel stickers, and let's see what else I used this week. I used one of these and one of these, and a key and a lock on that, and a couple of these Tim Holtz from last year, also Christmas snippets, the little ones, and let's see, some little Velcro dots. I think I got those from Jen Evers, and actually I bought all that Tim Holtz stuff last year from Jen Evers too. I used some cream, very vanilla, and Mossy Meadow twine. I used some of this gold rickrack and this red sparkly ribbon. This pack, except for the gold, was from Doris. It was, but I think I got it from Jen Evers too. It was a mix, and I also used a little bit of these two ribbons, and then some hot glue and regular, what's that other glue called? Art glitter glue. Art glitter glue. Let me get these out of the way. I'll show you what I did. Oops. Dropping things again. Sorry. Okay, so these are little envelopes. I have a 1, 2, 3 punch board I made them with, but the purpose of those envelopes is to house ATC cards. I'm going to be in an ATC swap, and I said I would do one swap with 2 cards. So this is one. This is Tim Holtz. This is a cut apart from the 8x8 paper pad. These are from the Tim Holtz sticker pack, and this is from Tim Holtz Snippet. This is this ribbon I'm trying to use up. That's from Joann's $2.50 bin or something. I backed them all on Stampin' Up's Very Vanilla Thick. I had some scraps of that, and then I did ink them all around the edges with this, but I used Stampin' Up's Soft Suede to do the inking front and back edges. I didn't put my information on the back just yet, so I still have to do that. And I tried really hard to make sure the images on the inside were sort of right side up, but it failed on one of them on the outside. So here's the Velcro little bits, and I have not decorated the front yet. I want to put some kind of a label and a little bit of decoration on the front once I know who they're going to exactly. Well, I don't know, we'll see. So this one, this is the paper. It looks like this, only it must have been the 12x12 version scrap. Oh, I also use this washi. On this one I have 1 row of these trees and 2 rows of the Santa behind here. Here's Santa trees, Santa. Here's the Dollar Tree ribbon up at the top. And oh, and this sticker, I had used one on my CDs last week out of here, or the week before. I finished them for last week. These were K & Company Yuletide, and I used a little one like that that just says Toyland. This is out of Tim Holtz Snippets and Tim Holtz stickers, and then this is out of that ribbon pack. Just need a little more bling. I put a little Wink of Stella on those 2 ornaments, but I left the rest plain. So that's that one. I guess I should leave them out as I show them. And then, let's see. Not enough room on this desk. Sorry for the messy mat. So this one is one of my favorites. This had the image of the cottage or house on it, and the doors up here. So there's little keys here. I just hot glued the lock down. I tied them both together with, oh, and this is Stampin' Up. This is Stampin' Up. It is called, it's from the Wonder of the Season ribbon combo pack from their August-December of this year mini catalog. It's gold 1/16 inch cord. I love this stuff. In fact, I should have ordered more of that, but I didn't. This is gold rickrack I just glued down, and this is one of those wooden trees. And then this is from the chipboard pieces from the collection. This is from Tim Holtz, says Telegram, and it's got some ivy on it. And then All is Calm, All is Bright. I like that one. That's probably one of my two favorites. And then this one is another scrap of this kind of paper, but from the 12 by 12. It was a little shy of 2.5 by 3.5. In fact, it only goes to about here. That's why I put the ribbon on this side. And then I used the 1 poinsettia here to go. This is a piece, a cut apart. This is from the collection, these two button things. And here, this is Retired Stampin' Up twine and Mossy Meadow. And then With Best Christmas Wishes was a long strip from Tim Holtz, and I just cut it in half and put that on. So let's see if we can do this way. I actually really like this one with the Santa and the deer too. And then the last one had this bird on it, and I made it so that it was one of the two birds on the inside. But this design is sort of in the background here, so that worked. So this is a piece of washi, sparkly washi out of this tube, and this is the music notes from the tube. Like I was thinking bird song, you know, and then I thought, well, here's Joy to the World is fitting for Christmas music, so I put that under it from the Tim Holtz collection. This is a very vanilla twine from the Retired Stampin' Up. And this is actually out of this collection, and it has absolutely no sticky, so I had to glue that down, which worked out okay. I feel like I need another embellishment or two on this one, but I didn't want to detract too much from the bird, so I hope you're seeing that. And yeah, so those are my, that's it. I have 5. I only really needed 2 for a swap, but I had 4. I think I got out of one strip I had of the Very Vanilla, and then this one was from a scrap from last night's live, Tuesday night's live. So yeah, I made that with the last one, I think was, which one? This one that I made. So I just decided to do one more because I was only going to have 4. So I hope you enjoyed that. So my project for the whole thing were this tissue box wallet, and then the 3 CDs that I made, wall hangings, CDs, and one of them has a pocket, and this one with the bird, and I think it was, yeah, this one has a pocket. Nah, it's probably too wide to fit, and I mean too skinny to put one of these in it. But, and then the last thing I made was the Traveler's Notebook, which I really love. That's my favorite project, but I like doing these small ATCs and things as well, so I really enjoy doing these, and I hope you enjoyed looking at them. All right, everyone, I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving if you're in the U.S., and if not, just a wonderful rest of your week and weekend for those elsewhere. And thank you so much for watching the last 4 weeks. Please do hop along to everyone else in the collab who will be linked down below the video. Thank you, Beth at Bourbon Creek Crafts, for hosting this wonderful collab and getting us motivated to make Christmas projects for this year. And I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Thanks for watching.